Starting your DIY journey can be both exciting and a little intimidating. But fear not. Beginner projects are the perfect way to dip your toes into the creative waters without feeling overwhelmed. In this article, we'll guide you through two simple yet satisfying projects: building a basic toolbox and crafting small wooden decorations. These projects are great for developing skills while creating something practical and charming. Start with building a basic toolbox. A wooden toolbox is a must-have for any budding DIY enthusiast. Not only is it functional, but it's also a project that will teach you the basics of measuring, cutting, and assembling wood. Materials needed: plywood or softwood planks, hammer and nails, or a screwdriver and screws, wood glue, sandpaper, paint or stain is optional. Here are the steps. Measure and cut. Start by cutting the wood into the following pieces: 1 base, 2 side panels, 2 end panels, and 1 handle. A round dowel works well. Make sure your measurements ensure a snug fit when assembled. Assemble the base. Attach the side and end panels to the base using wood glue and nails or screws. Use clamps to hold the pieces in place as the glue dries. Attach the handle. Drill small holes into the end panels to secure the dowel handle. Insert the dowel and fasten it with glue or screws. Smooth and finish. Sand all surfaces to remove rough edges. Paint or stain your toolbox for a polished look, or leave it natural for a rustic vibe. Project 2. Crafting small wooden decorations. Wooden decorations are a delightful way to add charm to your home, and they make great gifts. Let's create a simple wooden star or heart decoration. Materials needed: scrap wood, pencil, jigsaw or coping saw, sandpaper, paint, varnish, or wood burning tool, optional. String or hooks for hanging. Steps: draw your shape. Use a pencil to sketch your desired shape: a star, heart, or tree, onto a piece of scrap wood. Cut it out. Carefully cut along your pencil lines using a jigsaw or coping saw. If you're new to sawing, take your time and follow the outline slowly. Smooth the edges. Sand down the edges and surfaces until they're smooth to the touch. Decorate. Let your creativity shine. Paint your shape, apply varnish, or use a wood-burning tool to add intricate designs. Prepare for display. Attach a string or hook if you want to hang the decoration. Why try beginner DIY projects? These projects are not only fun, but also incredibly rewarding. They help you build confidence in handling tools and materials, teaching you foundational skills that will be useful for future endeavors. Plus, there's nothing quite like the pride of saying, "I made that." So, grab your tools and let your creativity flow. Whether you're making a trusty toolbox or crafting whimsical decorations, these beginner-friendly projects are your first step into a world of endless possibilities. Happy creating! Please give this video a like if you found this interesting or helpful, and if you have comments or ideas, just leave them below.